Let me ask you something. What if I told you that the car parked outside someone's house right now is your next income opportunity? No degree, no English fluency required, no big investment, no fancy office, just water, just effort, just confidence. In America, cars are everywhere. And where there are cars, there is money waiting to be earned. Today, I'm going to show you how you can start earning from car washing in the USA, even if you are starting from absolutely zero. Stay with me till the end, because I'll break everything down step by step. The USA runs on cars. People drive to work, to school, to grocery stores, to road trips. And most families have not just one, but 2 or even 3 cars. According to the Bureau of Transportation Statistics, there are hundreds of millions of registered vehicles in the country. Think about that. Every single one of those cars gets dirty. Rain, dust, snow, bird droppings. And most people are too busy to wash them. In cities like Los Angeles, Houston, Miami, and New York City, people value convenience. If you offer doorstep car washing, you are solving a real problem. That means opportunity is everywhere. Now let's talk real. You have no money, no equipment, no experience. Good, because you don't actually need much. Step 1, start with confidence. Go around your neighborhood and simply say, "Hi, I'm offering affordable car wash service today. Would you like your car cleaned?" Simple, direct, respectful. Step 2, offer a low starting price to get your first customers. Focus on building trust, not profit in the beginning. Step 3, use the customer's water supply if possible. Many homeowners are okay with that. Step 4, watch 2 to 3 YouTube videos and learn basic car washing techniques. That's enough to begin. Remember, skill improves with practice. You don't need a certificate to wash a car. You need willingness to work. Start today. If you're looking to start a car detailing business on a small budget, here's your minimum cost starter kit. All you need is a bucket, car shampoo, a microfiber cloth or sponge, a dry towel, and a tire brush. That's it. You can get everything you need for under $40 to $60. Later, as you start earning, you can upgrade to a portable pressure washer, vacuum, extension cord, and a water tank for mobile service. But don't wait for a professional setup to begin. Start basic and grow gradually. How much can you earn? Let's talk numbers. Basic exterior wash in the USA, $25 to $40 per car. Interior plus exterior wash, $50 to $80 per car. If you clean just 3 cars per day at $35 each, that's $105 per day. Work 6 days a week, around $600 plus per week. That's $2,400 or more per month. And this is small level income. If you turn it into mobile detailing, earnings can double. The key is consistency and customer service. Good work equals repeat customers. Repeat customers equals stable income. Listen carefully. There is no small work, only small thinking. Car washing might look simple, but simple work done daily feeds families. If you are in the USA and serious about changing your financial situation, start this week. Not next month, not next year, this week. If this video gave you clarity, comment below and tell me which state you are in. Like this video, share it with someone who needs income, and subscribe, because in the next video I'll show you another practical way to earn in America without degree or big investment. Your journey starts with one decision. Make it today.